Well, basically, all we're trying to do is to help make this school more energy efficient. So this school was built in like the 1940s or something, where energy and efficiency weren't used in the same sentence. So all we're trying to do is figure out a way to help this school reduce its impact on global warming so that the world can be a better place, basically, with this one small step.
We discovered two things. One, that the monitor is about 50 watts. The computer itself is over 100 watts. But if you put it on standby, it goes down to 10 watts and 5 for the computer and 5 watts for the monitor. So just putting your computers on standby saves a huge amount.
I went out in the hallway there where there were two doors on opposite sides, and the door that the sun was shining on was 90 degrees. And the door on the opposite side was 70 degrees.
The value, okay.
Community.
Okay, that's what I put. Introduce energy information to all elementary classes.
You got it. And then saving energy in the school, all students will collect data.
These are all really great ideas too.
Having the student energy auditors, having them trained, and having them trained to go out to an elementary school to train those students to become energy auditors. And then finally, we were talking about doing a careers in energy fair for the high school students.
Ready?
Let's put it like down.
You connect one wire on one side and the other wire on the other side, and then you connect both of them to the two parts on the light bulb, and then it circles.
Excellent.
Put it in there.
One bulb in there like that, right? And what happened to the bulb?
It lit up.
It lit, right?
A little.
Okay. Now, when you stuck two of them together like that, what happened to the bulb?
It got brighter.
It got brighter. When you put three bulbs,
It got even brighter.
Got even brighter. So we have volts, which is pressure, and amps is the amount of electrons that flow in a second. This is hot. Okay.
About 240 degrees.
That's 2% light, 98% heat.
The temperature in Fahrenheit, we got 115 degrees for the fluorescent light,
Okay.
and 238 for the normal light. There's a big difference there.
Back up. Very good. Okay. He's a transformer that kicks it up to millions of volts. Michael has been a transformer. He steps it down to the Rodrigo coming into DC.
Our planets are chaos. We're wasting energy.
Okay. We're coming from the big high power wires, megavolts to a transformer. Because as much as they try to be efficient, they still can't be efficient.
One more time.
There's loss everywhere along the line.
We have energy patrols one morning a week and Friday afternoon, and they go around and they make sure that all of these are set to where they should be.
This is an infrared thermometer, which when you hold down the button, it shows a laser that can tell the temperature, and it's 66, and we found out that we need to seal it on the sides so that not all the heat goes out, which wastes energy and we lose money.
So we're going to be focusing on conservation. 6th, 7th, and 8th grade are going to be doing alternative energy. So somehow or another we're trying to get like data tables and everything for the amount of electricity. We're hoping that we have saved.
Every week at the end of every Friday, we go around every classroom, see what are they doing to make use more energy than they should be using, or like keeping windows open when the heat is on or something like that.
When we use the computer lab, we make sure after we done, we shut down all our computers, cut the lights off. We ask the janitor, after he's done cleaning, make sure he cuts all the lights off. If he's not in the room, make sure the lights off.
Good afternoon.
afternoon. My name is Liz Wisman, and I'm the principal at Horace Mann Elementary School in the District of Columbia Public Schools. We have been working on an energy audit of our building, both using information that the district is providing to us, but also we've educated through a grant a group of 6th graders, or all of our 6th graders, to do energy audits of our building. As the leader of an institution who can simply say, this is the way we're going to do things at this school, and I'm asking you and need you to abide by that.
Very first Earth Day celebration, and the 6th grade is running an energy booth displaying some of the things they learned during the course of the year while they've been doing an audit under the auspices of SEDS.
So Horace Mann spent how much last year?
We spent, let's see,
$35,000
just on electricity.
Wow.
Today a model windmill, tomorrow